Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix a Microsoft Teams issue in which you receive video sharing is disabled by the administrator message while hovering over the camera icon during a Microsoft Teams meeting. So I will quickly reproduce that issue on my system. Suppose I join a meeting or create a meeting and click on meet now. As you can see, I am now joining the meeting in Microsoft Teams, and I have joined the meeting as an organizer, and I am already in call. But when I hover the cursor over camera icon, you can see that video sharing is disabled by the administrator. So how to fix this issue we will see in this video. Basically, in this meeting I am the organizer and I am also the administrator, joined with the administrator Office 365 account, but still I am seeing this message. Most probably this message should appear only to the clients because they are not having the administrative privileges, but still I am getting this message as an administrator. So how to fix it we will see in this video. So the solution is very simple. All you need to do is go to Microsoft Teams admin center at admin.teams.microsoft.com and sign in with your Office 365 account. Then in the dashboard, go to meetings, click meeting policies. Now in the right pane of the meeting policies, scroll down and locate the custom policies for the users facing this issue, or simply click on global org wide default policy. My organization is having this policy applied to all the clients, so I am just modifying it, but in case if you have another policy applied, modify that. Now in the audio and video section, you have to make sure that allow IP video option is turned on. Also, if especially the clients are facing this issue in your case, you need to make sure that under participants and guests, you need to make sure that let anonymous people start a meeting option is turned on. Then you have to quickly save these settings so that it can be applied to clients. As you can see that the policy is now updated, so it may take effect in few hours or few moments to the clients. So after few moments the clients will no longer face this issue and it will be resolved automatically. So thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.